Hello and welcome to your Course in Miracles Reflection. It is great to have you here. My name is Max Ryan. I'm a student and a teacher of A Course in Miracles for the past 38 years. And I just want to say this very clearly, is that if you are interested in having true inner peace, all the concepts that we talk about here are going to help you to do that. So welcome. And if you're not already subscribed, then make sure that you subscribe or you follow me here. Okay? All right. So let's get to what we're going to talk about today. Today we're looking at a very specific section in the course, and it's a very, it is quoted over and over and over. And it is a section called I Need Do Nothing. The whole section is incredible, but we're just taking one line from it. Okay. All right. So that's chapter 18. It's section 7. And we're going to be doing the first line in paragraph 4. Chapter 18, section 7 and paragraph 4. Okay. So let me just read this. Okay. Here we go. It is impossible to accept the holy instant without reservation, unless just for an instant you are willing to see no past or future. Let me say that again. It is impossible to accept the holy instant without reservation, unless just for an instant you are willing to see no past and no future. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to define what the holy instant is if you do not know already, okay? So from A Course in Miracles point of view, the holy instant is all there is, actually. It is the present moment. If you've read Eckhart Tolle's book, incredible book, which I highly recommend, The Power of Now, it's all about the holy instant. So let's just talk about that right here. So the holy instant is the present moment. And actually, all we really have is the present moment. So in order to really be in the present moment, you obviously have to let go of all your ideas about what happened in the past and all of your projections of what's going to happen in the future. There is only one place that peace is, where God is, where grace is, and that's right now. The egoic mind keeps us preoccupied with past thoughts and also in fear, usually, of future. So in order to really be in the peace of God, of grace, of joy, we have to practice being in the present moment. And let me say one more thing about the holy instant. The word holy, actually, I want you to think about it like this. It means whole, W-H-O-L-E, holy, holy. So it's the whole instant of you being in complete connection with God, grace, love, source. That is happening right now. It is happening right now, whether you know it or not. But your mind is trying to project what's going to happen in the future, or it's lamenting what's happened in the past. Okay? So today it's very simple. I want you to just see how much you can be in the present moment. That's it. Okay? It will change everything for you. And you'll realize how the past thoughts and the future thoughts have been impeding upon you to find your joy, your peace, your love right now. Okay. Well, remember, today could be the best day of your life. That's the truth. And I will see you very soon. If you're interested in more of my work or supporting me on Patreon for the work that I do, you can go to attractpositiveresults.com, or you can go to patreon.com/Max Ryan Coach. And I'll see you very soon. All right. Take care.